Have you ever wished for something with all your heart? Maybe you dreamed of a new job, a loving relationship, or a healthier body. What if I told you that you have the power within you to make those dreams a reality? It's true. It all starts with unlocking the potential of your third eye. The third eye is not a physical eye you can see. It's an energy center located in the center of your brain. Ancient cultures have known about the third eye for centuries. They believed it was the key to unlocking our hidden potential and connecting with higher realms of consciousness. In modern times, we're rediscovering the power of the third eye through science and spirituality. We're learning how to tap into its potential to manifest our desires and create a life we truly love. This journey of self-discovery is exciting. It's about awakening the power within you to create the life you've always wanted. Are you ready to unlock your third eye and manifest anything? Imagine this. You close your eyes and picture your dream home in vivid detail. You can feel the soft carpet under your feet, smell the fresh paint, and hear the laughter of loved ones echoing through the halls. This, my friends, is the power of your inner vision, the gateway to manifestation. But what exactly is this inner vision? It's the ability to see with your mind's eye, to create images and experiences in your imagination as real as if they were happening in the physical world. This is not daydreaming. It's a powerful tool for creation. Remember, your mind doesn't know the difference between what you imagine and what you experience in reality. When you vividly imagine something, your brain and body respond as if it's actually happening. This means you have the power to create your reality by consciously choosing the thoughts, images, and feelings you focus on. Your inner vision is the key to unlocking this potential. It's time to open your mind's eye and explore the infinite possibilities that lie within. Section 5, Seeing is Believing, the Science of Visualization. Have you ever noticed how athletes often visualize their performance before a big game? They close their eyes and see themselves winning in vivid detail. This is not just a psychological trick, it's backed by science. Studies have shown that visualization, the act of creating mental images, can have a powerful impact on our brains and bodies. When we visualize, our brains fire neurons in the same way they would if we were experiencing the event in reality. This means that by vividly imagining our goals, we're essentially programming our brains for success. We're creating neural pathways that make it easier to achieve our desired outcomes. So the next time you set a goal, don't just think about it, see it, feel it, and experience it in your mind's eye. The more real you make it in your imagination, the more likely you are to manifest it in your reality. Remember, seeing is believing. Section 6, the mind's eye, your creative canvas. Imagine your mind as a vast, empty canvas. Every thought, every feeling, every image you create is like a brushstroke, painting the masterpiece of your life. This is the power of your mind's eye, your inner vision. Just like an artist uses colors and textures to create a painting, you can use your thoughts, emotions, and imagination to create your reality. The key is to become a conscious creator, to choose the images you project onto the canvas of your mind. What do you want to see in your life? Love, abundance, success, joy? Start by painting those images in your mind's eye. Make them vivid, make them real, and most importantly, feel the emotions as if you're already experiencing them. Remember, your mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. By focusing on the positive, you attract more positivity into your life. So pick up your mental paintbrush and start creating the life of your dreams.
Section 7. Step into your dreams. A practical guide to manifestation. You've learned about the power of your mind and the science behind visualization. Now, it's time to put this knowledge into action with a practical guide to manifestation. Step 1. Get clear on your desires. What do you truly want to manifest in your life? Be specific. Instead of wishing for more money, visualize the exact amount you want and how you'll use it. Step 2. Create a vivid vision board. Find images and quotes that represent your goals and create a vision board. Place it somewhere you'll see it daily. This will keep your desires at the forefront of your mind. Step 3. Visualize daily. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and visualize your desired outcome as if it's happening right now. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, feel, smell, and taste? Step 4. Feel the emotions. Visualization is more than just seeing, it's about feeling. As you visualize, connect with the positive emotions you'd experience if your desire were already manifested. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement. Step 5. Release and trust. Once you've visualized and felt the emotions, release your desire to the universe. Trust in the process and know that what you desire is on its way to you. Remember, manifestation is a journey, not a destination. Be patient, persistent, and most importantly, believe in the power of your mind to create your reality.
Before you dive headfirst into the exciting world of manifestation, it's essential to create a space conducive to this powerful practice. Think of it as setting the stage for a grand performance by your inner creator. Choose a quiet, comfortable spot where you can relax and focus without distractions. This could be a corner in your bedroom, a peaceful spot in nature, or even your favorite armchair. Incorporate practices like meditation or deep breathing exercises into your routine. These techniques help calm the mind, reduce stress, and enhance your ability to visualize clearly. Make time to disconnect from the constant stimulation of technology. Put away your phone, step away from the computer, and allow your mind to rest and recharge. Spend time outdoors, surrounded by the beauty and tranquility of nature. Take a walk in the park, listen to the birdsong, or simply bask in the warmth of the sun. By creating a peaceful and supportive environment, you're signaling to your subconscious mind that you're ready to receive the abundance the universe has in store for you.
Section 9. Crafting your vision. Detail is key. Imagine ordering your dream meal at a restaurant. You wouldn't just tell the waiter, "Bring me some food," would you? You'd describe exactly what you crave, from the appetizers to the dessert. Manifestation works the same way. The more specific and detailed your vision, the clearer the message you send to the universe. Don't be afraid to get granular with your desires. Paint a vivid picture. Instead of wishing for a better job, envision the ideal company, your dream role, the salary you desire, and even the positive relationships you'll build with colleagues. Engage all your senses. Don't just visualize the way your desire looks. Imagine how it feels, smells, sounds, and even tastes. The more senses you involve, the more real your vision becomes to your subconscious mind. Focus on the feeling. How will achieving this desire make you feel happy, fulfilled, grateful, abundant? Connect with those positive emotions as you visualize, as if you're already experiencing them in your reality. Remember, the universe responds to clarity. By crafting a detailed and emotionally charged vision, you're providing a clear roadmap for your desires to manifest in your life.
Section 10. Feeling the future. Embracing your desires. Visualization is not just about seeing, it's about feeling. Your emotions are powerful magnets, attracting experiences that match your vibrational frequency. To manifest your desires, you need to embody the feeling of already having them. Embrace the feeling place. As you visualize your desired outcome, step into the feeling place of already having it. Feel the joy, gratitude, excitement, and peace that comes with achieving your goal. Act as if. Don't wait for your desires to manifest before you start acting as if they already have. Dress for the job you want. Speak with the confidence of someone who already possesses their desired qualities, and make choices aligned with your future self. Gratitude is key. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for the blessings in your life, both big and small. Gratitude raises your vibration and attracts even more abundance into your experience. Remember, the universe responds to your energetic frequency. By embodying the feeling of already having what you desire, you align yourself with its manifestation.
Section 11. Releasing your dreams. Trust in the universe. You've set clear intentions, crafted a vivid vision, and embraced the feeling of your desires. Now comes the most crucial step, releasing your dreams to the universe and trusting in the divine timing of their manifestation. Let go of control. Trying to micromanage every detail of how your desires will manifest can create resistance. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, even if it unfolds in unexpected ways. Surrender to the flow. Life is full of twists and turns. Embrace the journey and be open to the possibility that your desires may manifest in ways you never imagined. Focus on the present moment. While it's essential to have goals and aspirations, don't get so caught up in the future that you forget to enjoy the present moment. Find joy in the journey and trust that everything is unfolding perfectly. Remember, the universe is conspiring to bring your dreams to fruition. By releasing your attachment to the outcome and trusting in the process, you allow the magic of manifestation to work its wonders.
Section 12. The power of belief. Anything is possible. You are a powerful creator, capable of manifesting your wildest dreams into reality. The key to unlocking this potential lies in the power of your belief. When you truly believe in something, you create a powerful force that can move mountains. Embrace your power. Recognize that you are not merely a passive observer in your life. You are an active participant, co-creating your reality with every thought, belief, and action. Challenge limiting beliefs. Identify any limiting beliefs that may be holding you back from achieving your full potential. Replace these beliefs with empowering affirmations that support your growth and expansion. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Limit your exposure to negativity and focus on cultivating an environment that supports your dreams. Remember, the only limits you have are the ones you set for yourself. Believe in your dreams, believe in yourself, and watch in amazement as the universe conspires to make the impossible possible.